Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty. Guys, on this video we are going to be making pasta. Yes, so my kids, they will be back soon, maybe in the next 2 hours and a half, 2.5 hours. So guys, I just want to take you guys along. Without wasting much of your time, let's just dive into the video. Here are all my ingredients which we are going to be needing for this recipe. So over here I have two pasta here. So this is 500 grams and a 500 grams, which is about 1 kg. And I also have my veggies here, which I'm going to be needing. 1 medium onions. I'm going to be adding a little bit of tomato puree, 1.5 scotch banana pepper, and so what we are going to do now is just to, as you can see, my water is already boiling over there. I'm going to add my pasta into the pot. While we get started. So guys, I'm just going to be adding my onions. I'm also going to be adding my tomato puree. I'm just going to give it a stir for some minutes. I'm going to be adding my sausage, my scotch bonnet pepper, I'm going to allow it to fry for some minutes before adding my veggies to it. After some minutes, guys, I'm going to be adding my veggies. Then I'm going to be adding some salt and some non-cube. That is my all-purpose seasoning. This is after about 2 minutes later. So what I'm going to do now is just to add my pasta. going to be adding more, guys. Then I'm going to allow the pasta and the veggies to soak together. So I will show you guys in the next few minutes. Guys, lunch is ready. Lunch is ready. Hope you guys are coming to join me. Yeah, and if today is your first time coming across my video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and also share. And the good Lord will bless you. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.